Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your StumbleGuys account if you've lost access to it or need to log back in on a new device. So let's get straight into the steps. First, make sure you have the StumbleGuys app installed on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open StumbleGuys. Now, from the main screen, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it to open settings. Inside Settings, stay in the General section. Now look for the Account or Connection section. You should see an option to connect to your account. Tap on Connect. You'll now see the different login or account options that are available. Choose the same account or service that you previously used to connect your StumbleGuys account. For example, if your game account was connected to Google, Facebook, or another supported login option, select that same option. Now, sign in using the account details associated with your StumbleGuys account. Follow any verification steps that appear on the screen. Once the login is complete, return to StumbleGuys and check your profile. Your progress, items, and other information should appear if you successfully connected to the correct account. If your progress doesn't appear, make sure you're using the same Google, Facebook, or other account that was previously connected to your StumbleGuys profile. If you're still unable to recover your account, don't create multiple new accounts or repeatedly change your login information. Instead, contact StumbleGuys support through the official support channels. When contacting support, provide as much useful information as possible, such as your username, player ID, device information, and any details that can help verify that the account belongs to you. Keep in mind that recovery may depend on whether your account was previously linked to a supported login method. And that's it. That's how you can recover and reconnect your StumbleGuys account. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials and helpful tips. See you in the next video.